Hi, I'm Matt Carpenter, founder of College Funding Services. You probably recognize either my name or the company's name because you've heard from us probably a few times a year over the past 10 years, 12 years, maybe 15 years. And that's because we feel pretty strongly about wanting to talk to you about your financial aid night at your high school because we think we do it better than anybody else in the country, as evidenced by being at some of the most prestigious high schools in the country, specifically here in the Northeast. So I'm just asking for 5 minutes of your time so we can talk specifically about what differentiates what we do and the content that we talk about versus what you do today with the financial aid counselor locally or a representative from MIFA or HESA or from HESC. All those organizations do a great job, but I think we're coming at it from a place of being an advocate for the family. It's completely free. We don't charge anything for our presentation. We do not solicit anything about our services or our companies. We would not be allowed in high schools if we did that. So let's at least talk about what we do to get through some of those speed blocks. We'd love to put you in touch with current guidance counselors and superintendents and principals that we work with. And we also want you to know that your guidance department, when you have questions, you can come to us. All the guidance departments we work with, if they get a financial aid question they don't feel great about, they know they have a direct point of contact and they can get that answer for their family. So we know we can make you look good in your job. We want to do exactly that. Give us 5 minutes for a phone call and we'd be very appreciative. Thank you.